I played this game without installing any game app. Sometimes you may play games on your mobile. For playing games, you must install favorite games on your mobile. It may lose your storage. Web, Web Game Portal is a free Android app that helps you to play games without installing any game app. After install the app, you will get different games. It classified on the basis of different category. For playing games, first you go to category and select which game you want to play. Now I am selecting a game for play. Just look at. Now I am playing a very interesting game. More details, you must install this app on your mobile. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel very soon. Okay, bye.